Dear all, in this session, I am going to discuss important multiple choice questions based on the topic power measurements. Usually, wattmeter is a device which is used to measure the power. So, wattmeter comprises of current coil and pressure coil. So, how will you mention wattmeter? What is the symbol of wattmeter? You know, the wattmeter you can express the symbol in this fashion. So, we always have the current coil. Okay, current coil connects series to the load. Also, the second coil is known as pressure coil, like this. This is a general symbol of wattmeter. You can mark like a circular shape. We have four terminals: main terminal, load terminal, common terminal, and voltage terminal. The pressure coil connects parallel to the supply, where current coil connects series to the load. The product of current and voltage that gives the power. So there is one more constant that is known as wattmeter constant. You can represent the wattmeter constant by using the letter K. So to get the accurate value of power, we are going to use wattmeter constant K. Use the formula to calculate wattmeter constant, that is V selected into I selected into power factor by full scale deflection. Full scale reading or full scale deflection. Correct. This is a formula for calculating wattmeter constant K. Friends, let's solve some previous year question papers based on this topic. And also, I request you to recall the topic which I discussed in the last session, that is dynamometer type wattmeter. Let us solve one by one. Before solving, I would like to display the question. This is one of the questions which has repeated in the year of 2014. The name of the post is Assistant Engineer, Kerala State Electricity Board. Another question which I noticed is during staff selection commission in the year of 2002, I could see these questions. That's why I just wanted to highlight similar kind of questions can be expected in the forthcoming examination as well. So third question is also repeated in the year of 2013. The name of the post sub-engineers. It is applicable for EC, triple E, instrumentation students, etc. All circuit branches are eligible. So let's solve one by one. Better you can take one pen and paper, and in parallel you can compute the right answer. Yes. Moving coil, dynamometer type wattmeter is connected. Moving coil, dynamometer type wattmeter is connected in series with the fixed coil across the load, in series with the particular load across the supply. Moving coil of dynamometer, moving coil. So like this. So consider a wattmeter. So usually it will be like this only. We have supply. And this will be the load, right? Load. So moving coil type dynamometer, wattmeter, which is connected, the right answer is it will be across the supply only. So I prefer to choose the last option, that is across the supply. So go for option D. Okay. Now there is a numerical example. In 2 wattmeter method, it is mainly used for measuring three-phase power, right? For measuring three-phase power, the power factor is 0.5. Power factor usually represented by the letter cos phi. Cos phi is equal to 0.5. From that, you can calculate phi. Phi is nothing but cos inverse of 0.5. What is cos inverse of 0.5? It is nothing but 60 degree. 1 wattmeter reads W. So let me write W1 is W. What about the other wattmeter? What about the other wattmeter reading? That's a question. So you know that the 2 wattmeter method, it is a popular method to measure the three-phase power consumed by balanced and unbalanced load. So the first wattmeter reading can be written as root 3 into VL into IL into cos 30 plus 5. Then another reading is W2. root 3 VL into IL into cos 30 plus 5. VL is known as line voltage, the voltage across any two lines, that is known as line voltage. Then IL is the line current. All right. Then phi is the angle which we computed just now. So please calculate W1. What would be the value of W1? Root 3 into VL into IL into cos 30. 30 already there, no? So keep as it is. 30 plus 60. What is cos 30 plus 60? It is 90 only, no? VL, IL, cos 90. What is cos 90? 0. So W1 gives 0 watts. How about W2? W2 is nothing but you can substitute VL, IL, cos 30 minus 60. No, that is nothing but cos minus 30. Cos minus 30 is nothing but cos 30 only. VL into IL into cos 30 means how much it is? Root 3 by 2. So you'll be getting a certain value. It is not equal to 0, right? It is not equal to 0. But first wattmeter reading, it is 0 only. So one wattmeter, it gives a certain reading. I agreed, correct? But what about other wattmeter? Other wattmeter reads 0. Whenever power factor is equal to 0.5, other wattmeter reads 0. So this is the concept behind this particular question. You may expect similar kind of questions in the forthcoming examination. Please read question number 3. In an induction wattmeter comprises of, which is the right answer. So induction wattmeter, it is mainly used for AC measurement. All right. Also, the induction wattmeter comprises of two major components, two segments. What are the major segments? The first segment is number 1, shunt magnet. Shunt magnet. Second one is called series magnet. Series magnet. The shunt magnet, that is directly proportional to the supply voltage. The series magnet is directly proportional to the current flowing through the load. Moreover, the flux and applied voltage are 90-degree phase shift. Okay. So these are the basic information on induction wattmeter. So an induction wattmeter comprises of, which is the right answer, obviously, series and shunt electromagnet. That is a specialty, right? So this is regarding the induction type wattmeter. So in this session, I have discussed some repeated questions based on the previous years. You may prepare the remaining type of questions in this fashion. I wish you all the very best. Let me know if you are having any queries. If you need a specific topic, I request you to put up in the comment box. Definitely, we are going to make out within a week or prescribed time. So, thank you for watching this video. Wish you a happy learning.